Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 15th algorithm video, and in this video we will be given a number and we need to find the sum of all the factors. So the number that is given to us is 30. I make a variable of factor sum, and I make a blank list factors, then I make a for loop for I in range 1 till number +1, and if number modulus I is equal to 0, thereby this means that it is a factor, then I implement a factor sum by I. Okay, and I also append a list factors by I. Now as the for loop is completed, I print the factor sum and I also print the blank list factors. Now as you can see, for the number 30, these are the factors 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, and the sum of all the numbers in this list is 72. Now if I change the number to 15, now for 15, these are its factors 1, 3, 5 and 15, and the sum of all the factors is 24. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.